So BitSat first attempt is over, and in the analysis video we have told you that the paper has been tough, the paper has been weird. A lot of you know that thing very very well. So if you had solved the memory based previous year question papers, you would realize that the paper was pretty standard. पहले के papers standard आते थे, though they were weird also, but इस साल weirdness काफी ज़्यादा increase हो गया है. And to tackle that and to be 100% ready for the second attempt, we have made changes in the test series. After receiving feedback from thousands of students, we have updated the test series for second attempt according to the reviews received from first attempt. Paper contained more theoretical based conceptual questions, as a lot of theoretical based conceptual questions appeared in BitSat. Topics like differential equation, trigonometry, electrostatics. There were a lot of questions from these chapters, so you'll find a lot of weird and difficult questions from these chapters as well in the mocks. So the last 5 tests which are being released are completely based on the feedback received from first attempt. And not only this, all the tests of the starter test series as well as the ultimate test series and the crash course test series, all the earlier mocks have also been updated, so you don't have to worry कि बस मुझे 5 extra mocks ही second attempt के लिए मिलेंगे. All the mock tests have been updated according to the first attempt. So this is a very very important update. No one else, no other platform is doing these things. We were the first one to raise voice against the blunders that happen in the BitSat first attempt. Seeing us, a lot of other people came, but उसके पहले कोई भी नहीं आ रहा था. Everyone was silent about all these things. So I'll quickly brief you about all the courses that are available, plus about the mini test series, right? So the very first thing is starter BitSat test series, जिसमें कि तुम्हें 15 mock tests मिल जाते हैं. All are updated according to the first attempt. इसके अलावा जितने भी दिन बचे, you will get mentorship sessions from BitScience as well. पुराने जितने भी सेशंस हुए, you'll get the recording of all of those things. उसके अलावा the second product that I'll definitely recommend you is the ultimate BitSat test series, which has 15 updated mock tests plus 5 more specially designed mock tests for the second attempt. ये तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. In this pack you also get chapter wise tests which are difficult and weird, similar to that of BitSat. All of those students who have solved the chapter wise tests of Fodu Club were ready to tackle those kind of questions in the actual BitSat paper. So chapter wise tests are actually a very good resource to practice from right now for the second attempt. इसके अलावा you obviously get the mentorship sessions वाला part, and also 8 previous year memory based paper भी तुम्हें इसमें मिल जाते हैं as mock tests. And not only this, as we always say, English LR, you get a specific English LR course for this. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा कंप्लीट करने में. जितने भी दिन बचे तुम easily daily 1.5 hours दे के कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. सारे lectures देख सकते हो, बहुत short and crisp lectures हैं. इसके अलावा you can solve the worksheets after that. You will be pretty much ready to tackle the English LR section. The last thing is obviously the crash course. ये सारी चीज़ें तुम्हें मिलती है, plus PCM के lectures मिलते हैं, which are very very useful for last minute revision purposes, specifically designed for BitSat. So if you're someone looking out for lectures for quick revision and to specifically revise the theory and problem solving in a limited amount of time, especially for BitSat, then I would highly recommend you to join the crash course and watch the lectures which you feel the need of. Definitely सारे के सारे videos तो you won't be able to see, but specifically you can watch the lectures of the chapters that you feel you need the most. And the last, talking about the mini test series, you will get 5 tests in this mini test series that are again specially designed for BitSat second attempt. We already did a proper analysis and started working on updating our tests from the first day when BitSat started. जब अभी बाकी प्लेटफॉर्म्स बैठ के फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं कि टेस्ट में कौन सा क्वेश्चन डाले, क्या करे, हमारा पहला मॉक टेस्ट, जो कि ये लास्ट 5 मॉक टेस्ट बचे ना, पहला मॉक टेस्ट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन रिलीज्ड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. यू योरसेल्फ कैन सी कि किस रॉकेट स्पीड पे वी आर वर्किंग एंड वी आर स्टैंडिंग विद स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम द day 1. So in the mini test series, these 5 mock tests will be specifically for the second attempt. The tests which are being specially released for the second attempt, as well as 1 or 2 tests which were released for the first attempt, which also have been updated. ये 5 mock test में तुम्हें मिलता है ताकि तुम 5 best mock tests solve कर पाओ before BitSat second attempt and you are ready to tackle BitSat second attempt. That is the main target. So talking about the resources, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. The very first focus should be on revision. Quick lectures वगैरह देख के रिवाइज कर सकते हो, notes देख के रिवाइज कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा best resource right now is giving chapter wise tests. Chapter wise tests टाइम मैनर में दोगे, वो प्रेशर के अंडर सॉल्व करोगे टफ एंड वियर्ड क्वेश्चंस, तभी वो आदत बनेगी, तभी जाके सेकंड अटेम्प्ट में अच्छा कर पाओगे. Many students face this problem, right? कि घर पे तो क्वेश्चंस बन गए, वहां जाके टाइम प्रेशर में क्वेश्चन नहीं हो पाता, एंड इसलिए कम स्कोर आता है. दैट इज वाई चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट इज द बेस्ट रिसोर्स. इसके बाद भी टाइम बचता है, so we highly recommend to solve and read NCERT exemplars, especially of chemistry and physics, of theoretical parts like modern physics, semiconductors, EM wave, rotational motion. So yes, theoretical questions from chapters like rotational motion, frictions, NLM do come in BITSAT, जो कि हमने already अपने mock tests में update कर दिया, जो कि tricky होने वाले हैं, काफ़ी मज़ा आने वाला है when you will solve them. तो जितना मैंने बोला है उतना ही करो, बहुत ज़्यादा extreme you don't have to do anything else. Focus on revision, ठीक है. No need to do anything extra. Work on your weak points which can be covered in the next 15 to 20 days. Only do those chapters which you are underconfident in, जो जल्दी हो जाए. इसके अलावा focus on giving good quality chapter wise tests as well as updated mock tests according to the first attempt. So there are hardly 15 to 20 days left. No time to waste now. Last chance है, make the most out of it. There have been students who have improved up to 100 to 120 marks. अभी चैनल पे एक वीडियो भी आने वाली है with Neil, who scored around 220 marks in the first attempt and scored 300 plus in the second attempt, and right now is studying at BITS Goa Computer Science. So through that video you will get a complete idea on how to make that transition from first to second attempt. No time to waste now. Take a decision for yourself and crack BITSAT second attempt. Wish you all the very best. साथ में फोड़ेंगे.